Criminalistics encompasses a lot of different disciplines in forensic science. When I first started in forensic science in the crime lab, criminalistics was everything that didn't fit into toxicology or drugs or serology. But in the academy, the criminalistics section encompasses drugs and serology, fingerprints, trace and fibers, fire debris analysis, explosives, and so we have different disciplines within criminalistics. It's a broad section. The criminalistics section is the largest section in the academy. We have close to a third of the members, and we cover just about everything that you see on NCIS or CSI. It's a little less glamorous than it shows up on TV. About half our people are DNA people, and then we've got generalists, people that do all kinds of trace evidence, and that can be explosives, it can be hairs and fibers, it can be soils, and we also have people that do firearms identification. Did this bullet come from this gun? And right now what we're trying to do in all of our disciplines is to get a more statistically sound footing for what we do. I mean, when I learned to do firearms identification, and I could look at the bullet from the suspect's gun, a bullet from the body, and match them up. And sometimes it's very difficult, but sometimes it just jumps out at you, and you can say, it's definitely a match. There's thousands and thousands of lines that match up perfectly. But it's still pattern recognition, and how do you know? And so we're doing some statistical analysis of the spaces between the lines and just trying to get a more solid scientific footing underneath it. Many of the forensic sciences, including many of the criminalistic disciplines, started not in academia, but in police laboratories, trying to look for investigative leads or trying to prove that we really have the right person as the suspect. Well, DNA certainly has improved the accuracy of identifying suspects, associating suspects with crime scenes, and it has cleaned up a lot of mistakes that were made when people put too much emphasis on, for instance, a hair analysis or a hair comparison. So DNA has, broken through a lot of barriers. I would say to get a good science education, there are forensic science programs that are accredited. If you choose a program entitled Forensic Science, make sure it is accredited by FEPAC. Because if it's not, you may end up shortchanging yourself. You want to get a good science background, know your chemistry, know your biology, and if you've got the opportunity to get a master's degree, it really helps.